And the head of the United Independence Congress of Jamaica, UIC, Joseph Patterson, was arrested this morning for multiple breaches of the Disaster Risk Management Act. Placed in handcuffs and taken away by the police, President of Jamaica's third political party, the UIC, Joseph Patterson, as he prepared to lead a group of anti-COVID protocol protesters to Garden House. The march, a continuation of a series of gatherings in several parishes, was planned days in advance. The police issued warnings, including on social media, that any such gathering would be illegal. On Tuesday, a defiant Patterson issued this statement.
I can assure you that tomorrow morning at 9 a.m., I will be present at Ward Theatre for our march on Garden House.
And so, Wednesday morning, in the midst of a crowd of followers, he and 5 others were taken into custody for, among other things, organizing a group of more than 10 persons, which breaches the Disaster Risk Management Act.
The other offense that we have arrested them for is under reasonable suspicion of carrying out the act of disrupting the activities of Parliament as uttered by the leader, Mr. Patterson, in my presence after warning him about the offences that they are going to march on Parliament and to disrupt the activities there.
But after his arrest, things got disruptive quickly. The crowd followed the arrested Mr. Patterson to the Central Kingston police station, demanding his release and insisting their gathering was legal and justified. Their reluctance to go back several meters from the station resulted in pushing and shoving, the cops doubling down with pepper spray and a SWAT team.
We need the curfew to stop. We need the lockdowns to stop because it not benefit nobody. Nobody but the private sector, nobody but the government. Since what they ship them come in. And them lock all of the tourists them from people. So we need all of that to stop right now.
They started using their sticks and they started using brute force. When I seen them push an old lady, I said that's wrong and it's morally wrong. We're obeying what you guys are saying. Then they come out with the pepper spray and they pepper spray all of us.
We're out here in our numbers in support of freedom of choice. Mr. Patterson is demanding freedom, and we are saying no to mandatory vaccination. It should not be a case where it's take a job or lose your job.
Up to news time, it was unclear if those arrested were still in lockup or out on bail. The group's main issue has been the COVID-19 vaccine. So we asked them about the proven benefits in the COVID-19 fight.
You see how many people are in hospital and how many people are dying. And the vaccine is something that can stop you from dying or even less likely for you to be hospitalized. So why are you guys so against?
Where's your scientific knowledge?
There's no proof.
But health officials have been insisting that the unvaccinated are more likely to be hospitalized and die from COVID-19. And our coverage of that anti-vaccine protest in downtown Kingston today was not without drama. Our news team also had a brief standoff with police personnel who were adamant that they had to leave the area.
Questions about freedom of the press are again being raised as while covering Wednesday morning's protest in downtown Kingston, the news team and other media workers were almost forcibly removed from the area by the police. While recording, a baton was used to shove our videographer and reporter out of the area. Despite clearly branded media IDs, equipment, and shirt, some officers sought to remove both journalists and protesters. In addition to being pushed, our videographer also complained of being pepper sprayed. The team tried to talk with senior members of the JCF, hoping to be allowed to continue doing their work.
I was trying to come,
but I wasn't.
He was pushing me in the road.
Yes, and I can't. Yes, but I'm not agreeing to that. I am saying to you that me intervening, or some officers we intervening, is to ensure that everything go peacefully.
I am not aware of that. If you, all right, if you so want to make a report on that, I will facilitate that.
Following those discussions with senior officers, the team was not obstructed anymore, and so no report was made. However, it does raise questions about the police awareness of freedom of the press. Kalisha Williams, TVJ News.